welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, my dog just started eating. I've been putting off making this video probably for a couple months. So, but then I seen something today that kind of pushed me over the edge. It made me really mad. So first off, I want to say, so what happened? I was at the local landfill where we take our garbage, and there was a guy backed up to the place where we put our garbage at. I was taking my recycling up, you know, kind of thing, and he unloaded his full bed truck with nothing but kind of plastic totes. Like plastic totes like you store stuff in, like plastic totes like that. But they were like the really big plastic totes. They were probably like the 35-gallon or 40-gallon plastic totes. And all he was doing was just unloading his truck. And yeah, that's wasteful, you know? So that really made me mad. People could use those tubs. I could have used those tubs. But so what I'm going to be doing, I'm making like a series of videos, I think. Maybe making a series of videos of different low waste type videos. I know I've seen quite a few of these on YouTube here recently. Whole channels dedicated to low waste or zero waste lifestyle, which I think is great. Reason why this hits home to me, my husband actually works as a trash man. He's the one holding on the back of the trash truck, throwing the trash in the trash truck. And you won't believe how much stuff he throws away. That is perfectly recyclable. That is compostable. That can be donated to the thrift store, Toys for Tots, you know, stuff like that. There was one time he remembers saying that he threw a whole 100-gallon trash can away full of toys. That just gives me chills. You know, so many kids could use those. They were perfectly good condition. You know, so, you know, stuff like that. We're going to be writing stuff down, the stuff that he's seen, and some of the stuff we've actually saved out of the trash can. So that'll be another video, probably in this series. But I'm going to be recording, telling you guys what I'm actually recycling, what I'm throwing away, and then what I'm composting. This clip right here that I took before I threw my stuff away. So this is the stuff that I'm getting rid of this week. It's a pretty big box. I'm going to be donating this to the thrift store. So you can see that I am not throwing that much stuff away this week, but I would like to get down to almost low waste as much as possible. And let me tell you why. The average American throws out 4 pounds of trash a day. That's 1.4 tons a year per person. 75% of all the trash is recyclable, and 30% of the stuff that can be thrown out can be compostable. So that's food scraps. So that leaves us with not that much. I'm not good at math, but that leaves us with hardly any trash left over. So it's really, we live almost a mile away from the landfill, and go drop my husband off at work, and you can smell it. It's horrible. It smells like gas. It's like a methane gas that it releases. So anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys probably every week. Probably every Friday is what I'm thinking. Every Friday I'm planning on just showing you guys what I'm getting rid of for the week, and see how much I can downsize my stuff, and see how much I can downsize my trash intake. Give me guys like an update. Show you guys what I've done this week, and what I composted and recycled, and how much trash I've thrown away that week. I'm probably going to have my husband sit down and actually talk to you guys too about all this type of stuff, because it's kind of personal, I guess. He likes his job, but there's some times that he doesn't wish he could do it, you know. So anyway, so that's all for today. Like I said, I'll show you guys right here. Like I said, I showed you guys earlier what I got rid of this week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.